What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. So, Bitcoin is in a slump. Bitcoin is going down. A lot of people freaking out. A lot of people selling. A lot of people are panic buying. And so, this is why I always tell you all, no matter what you watch, no matter what comments you see, nobody really knows where the market is going to go. There's so much chaos in the world right now. There's so much factors going on, whether you want to call it market manipulation mixed with world events, things constantly changing. We are in uncharted territory, ladies and gentlemen. However, a lot of people are wondering, I've just been getting emails today, a lot of emails asking, Mr. Bitcoin Maxi, what do you recommend that I do? Do you recommend I buy 0.1 Bitcoin? I have cash reserves on the side, in addition to my dollar cost to averaging purchases. And so I want to know your opinion. And I got a lot of emails like this. So thought we chit chat about it. Now, if and when the event we go farther down, then you are going to get more stressed that you basically put 9-10 grand into Bitcoin at 78, 79,000, and we end up going lower. Now, a lot of people are conflicted because they don't know if they want to wait till it gets lower, or they're like, should I just go all in and buy now? And this is something that a lot of people are struggling with. A lot of times like this, people are so stressed because they're like, oh my gosh, well, if it goes back up, then I would have missed out on buying at 78. Well, if it goes down, then I just lost basically a bunch of gains. But the key takeaway, ladies and gentlemen, is think to yourself, if you buy 0.1 right now, $78,000, $79,000, right? Can you afford to wait 5 to 10 years to take that out? And so if the answer is no, then you probably shouldn't be doing that. Not financial advice, of course, but how I'm adding 0.1 on this dip is I'm going to add a couple $100 here and there continuously, because I usually do daily buys, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few $100 in addition to what I already put into it every day and see what happens, all right? I'm not going to try and time the market. I'm not going to go out there and I'm not going to listen to the bears. I'm not going to listen to the bulls. All I know is I'm going to dollar cost average my way into this dip if we go down lower, or if we go higher, it's a win-win for me. However, the key takeaway is that I am not going to be sitting here adding 0.1 that I have to take out soon. But you all know on this channel, you all know that I do not plan on selling my Bitcoin, so my strategy might be different than your strategy. However, I am looking to add 0.1 in the month of January. But again, I don't recommend everybody to do that. Everybody's financial situation is different. I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to buy 0.1 and then we happen to go lower. I'm going to dollar cost average. And it's important to think to yourself, can I be disciplined not to sell? But can I also get more sats for my dollars, as opposed to when we go back to $126,000 Bitcoin, because eventually we will get there. And then people that aren't buying now, that are going to wait for a dip, and then we might not ever get a dip, are going to be kicking themselves in the rear, because then they're going to be like, dang, I should have bought Bitcoin when it dumped at 78,000. Again. We might go lower, we might not. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, okay? The only thing I do know, again, is that I am looking to capitalize on this dip. But I am not going to go heavy into it, because I'm not going to FOMO in when we could possibly be going lower. And 0.1 is a milestone that you all should be striving to get. And if you're there, add another 0.1. Okay, keep striving for every 0.1. So you add 0.1. All right, or if you don't even have 0.1, 0.01, right, get to 0.01, and then after that get to 0.02, and then all of a sudden keep working your way up to 0.1. But be patient about it. All right, be patient and understand. Let the market do what it's going to do. Don't get stressed out, because I'm not going to lie to you all. I used to be like that. I used to be like, well, I got to time the market. Well, the bears are saying this, so maybe if I time it and I sell it when it's going to be on a big pump, and then the bears are saying we're going to go back down to 30K, let me wait until the 30K. I used to stress myself out all the time. And that was when Bitcoin, people were calling Bitcoin done when it was like $500-$600, right? I remember there was people saying it's over, it's done. When Bitcoin would go up 500, come back down, when it'd go up to a couple thousand, then it'd retrace. And so a lot of people, there's always going to be critics to say Bitcoin's done. You know, Bitcoin's going to tank. It's not going back up. There's no use case for it. But little did these people know that we are in a digital era where Bitcoin is scarce. It's a scarce digital asset. And a lot of people want to see it as gambling. That's what a lot of people see it, but to me, they're uneducated. Now, gambling is where you're going and you're trying to think you can time the market. To me, that's gambling. Like, you all might have heard the whale that's shorting Bitcoin and has 100% win rates. And I think that whale just got liquidated, I want to say. And a lot of people speculate it's Barron Trump. But even that, right, in case it's an insider, got liquidated. Okay? So be mindful when you listen to these people saying that Bitcoin's going down. Nobody has a crystal ball. The only thing I can tell you all is to capitalize on these opportunities, but don't go all in, because if we go lower, you're going to be, like I said, kicking yourself in the rear. So another thing I want to talk about is 0.1 is something that a lot of people think is minimal. A lot of people think that it's not meaningful. However, in terms of purchasing power, as everybody's getting poorer, you are not. You are preserving your purchasing power, okay? Bitcoin goes to 1 million, it's 100,000, right? But a lot of people say, well, 100,000 is nothing, but you have to think in the context, contrasting to other people getting poor. So that's why I always harp on you all to strive to get to that 0.1 Bitcoin and keep adding and adding and adding after that 0.1 Bitcoin, because you'll be able to sleep a little bit better at night knowing that as the world is moving towards Bitcoin global adoption, other people are going to get left behind. And I forgot who said it. I know Michael Saylor quoted it from somebody, but everybody gets Bitcoin at the price they deserve. I forgot who said that. I don't know if it was Satoshi that said that, or if it was, I know, like I said, Michael Saylor quoted it, but anyway. So I want to come on and make this video, and hopefully I inspire some confidence in you all to not go and panic sell, or to not go and throw all your money in to Bitcoin at 78, 79,000 that we're seeing a retrace. Just be patient. Let the market do what's going to do. We will get back to all-time highs, and we will eventually get to $200,000, $250,000. But during this time, you'll have to see it as a blessing in disguise that you can get Bitcoin for this much. And if we go down, even better, right? Then you can add even more. So hope this video has been very helpful for you all. I always try and inspire confidence and let you all know that even though Bitcoin is $78,000, we are still very early. We are still very, very early, and people don't understand the type of opportunity that they have, because people are going to be kicking themselves in the rear when Bitcoin's 500, 800, $1 million plus, and people could have got it for $78,000. And then even when we get to that million, we crash back down or correct back down to 800,000, 700,000, people are going to say it's dead. It's going to be the same circus all over again, and then we're going to make a new all-time high above 1 million. It's just how Bitcoin is. It's volatile. All right. So again, hope I inspired some confidence in you all, and do not let this market emotionally trigger you. Just be patient, dollar cost average, and take this opportunity. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We are all Bitcoin Maxi. Stack sats, stay free, stay humble, and I'll see you all in the next video, and I hope you all have a good day.